And I selected that song because it's fun, it's interesting, it's different, and it used to be played in my house often, so it's something that I know and I'm really happy with it. So the publicity tour back to my hometown, Port Harcourt City, was very fun. Meeting people, meeting your fans, making them proud, and them talking to you, supporting you. It was really fun. I had so much fun meeting them. It was amazing.
And now performing Agalogo, a nugget song from Angelique Kidjo. Here's Beyonce.
Yes, our baby girl has grown up. I'm very, very impressed. I'm very happy to see what I saw just now. You know, your confidence is gone up so many levels. Your voice sounds so much stronger. Like you've really been working on it. You have. I'm very